Hi, Rossini. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Jose on the phone and I told him that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I will go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the same day restoration and cleaning homepage. Right away, I can see that you guys definitely spent some time and or some money into this. It looks very easy to navigate. It looks very professional. However, scrolling through here, there is not a ton of content. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 767 words. So I would suggest that you add in some more content to the homepage. Also, you want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having good content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So Google loves information and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so a great example of a keyword is water damage restoration Anaheim. This keyword brings in 1,300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar here, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up or the market is hot. And so right beneath where the ads are, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important, especially since so many people are searching for things from their phones. It can produce huge amounts of revenue, especially if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you need a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, Angie's, Home Advisor, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those directories than these 3 businesses are. And you also need to make sure when you are entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character as the information on your Google business profile page in order for it to be considered a citation. And so now I've scrolled down, I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. And so this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. We can scroll through here and see that they have a little bit more content than you guys have. Right now, I did a word counter search on them as well, and they are at 1,005 words. So it would still be very easy to beat them out with the amount of content that they have. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for instance, if a local construction company with a powerful website were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring more power to yours. Over here, I have hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it's telling me they have 613 backlinks from 148 domains and are ranking organically for 1,400 keywords. So I can take a look and see which keywords those are. When looking out for keywords, you want to make sure that they have buyer's intent and that they are preferably location specific. And so here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, bring in the most traffic, and you can incorporate those into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I just did with their keywords to their backlinks. And so they have 613 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through here and see which ones have a high DR domain rating. Go through, click on each one, and see if you can get your site listed on that site as well. You can go through other competitors' backlinks and then find some on your own. And so now it's saying 553 backlinks is definitely a beatable number, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide in one of the areas you provide them in, and you want to be able to outrank all of your competition. And so over here, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now, you guys have 577 backlinks from 108 different domains and are ranking organically for 6 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. Again, you really want buyer intent keywords. And so you guys have some good keywords that you guys are going for. Right now, you are ranking anywhere from the 2nd to around the 8th page. And so I think if you were to incorporate the 3 things we talked about into your online marketing plan, you could start to produce a lot more revenue from your site. And so to recap what those were, number 1, you want some more high quality content with the right keywords. Number 2, some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, more high powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back to the people we were just looking at, so it's saying that they have 664 people visit their site every month. Often it is actually up to 10 times the amount that this Ahrefs tool says, but let's just say that they really do have 664 people. So if they were to convert half of those people into customers, that would be 332 people every single month. And if they were to multiply that by the amount of an average job, which I put as 2,500, that would be $830,000 per month. If you factor in a 75% profit margin, that would be $622,500 every single month. And like I said, this number is actually usually up to 10 times as high. And so that just gives you an idea of the benefits of what having a powerful website are. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable to watch and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.